future of fitness is here. Introducing JUMPROPEvolve, a revolution in jump rope design that's built to take your workouts to the next level. Designed with cutting-edge technology, JUMPROPEvolve is the ultimate fitness tool for anyone serious about performance. Whether you're a beginner or an elite athlete, this jump rope evolves with you. Let's start with comfort. The ergonomic handles are crafted to fit perfectly in your hands, reducing strain so you can keep pushing without feeling fatigue. Whether you're going for speed, stamina, or style, these handles offer complete control. And speaking of control, stay focused and connected with the integrated AirPods holder. Your music, your motivation, without missing a beat. No more tangled messes. Thanks to our anti-coil cable technology, the rope stays flexible and ready for action, whether it's your first jump of the day or your final set. But what really sets JUMPROPEvolve apart is precision. Our hybrid ball bearings ensure every rotation is smooth, consistent, and lightning fast. Less friction, more flow, so you can focus on what matters, your performance. Feel the difference with every jump, whether you're working on double unders or building your endurance. JUMPROPEvolve is built to keep up with your toughest workouts. Track your progress without missing a beat. With the integrated phone stand, JUMPROPEvolve keeps everything in sight, so you can stay focused and keep pushing. And when you're done, store it in style with our sleek wall mount. Always organized, always ready for your next session. Even when the heat is on, our airflow technology keeps you cool and comfortable. The design promotes airflow during your workout, so you stay fresh when the workout gets intense. And what's more, we believe in our products so much that we back it with a lifetime warranty. Because quality should last forever, just like your commitment to fitness. JUMPROPEvolve is more than just a jump rope. It's a commitment to yourself, to improvement, to evolving. Whether you're a beginner or an elite athlete, this jump rope grows with you. It's time to elevate your game. The future of fitness is in your hands. JUMPROPEvolve. Elevate your workout, evolve your game.